What's the meaning of boys' own paper? Boys' own paper. Boys' own paper.
Boys' own paper. Boys' own paper. Boys' Own Paper was a British magazine that was popular among young boys in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It featured adventure stories, educational articles, and various other materials that were intended to educate and entertain its readership. The magazine became known for its emphasis on promoting traditional masculine values and virtues, such as courage, self-reliance, and loyalty. Its content included stories of exploration, military and naval adventures, and sports. In summary, Boys' Own Paper was a magazine aimed at young boys that emphasized traditional masculine values and promoted adventure, education, and sports through its content.